Verbs followed by gerunds. A grammar lesson. Here's a list of verbs that need a gerund, with simple examples to help you remember how to use them. Firstly, admit. She admitted taking the money. Anticipate. I anticipated returning after midnight. Appreciate. I appreciate getting gifts. Avoid. You should avoid going out alone. Can't help. She just can't help complaining, can she? Can't see. I can't see reading it again will help. Complete. We've completed studying for today. Consider. Have you ever considered going to Open University? Delay. I've delayed planning the wedding. Deny. He denied getting involved in the robbery. Despise. Everyone despises getting up early. Discuss. We've discussed moving to Berlin. Dislike. I dislike organizing my desk. Don't mind. We didn't mind eating late. Enjoy. I've enjoyed not cycling to work. Finish. Finish eating before you leave the table. Imagine. Imagine eating 100 marshmallows. Involve. The task involves writing 2 poems in 10 minutes. Keep. Keep turning the knob, it'll open. Mention. Don't mention forgetting to lock the car. Mind. I don't mind walking in the cold. Miss. I miss not seeing you every day. Postpone. I have postponed cancelling the hire car. Practice. Practice smiling. It won't kill you. Propose. I propose starting at 7. Quit. Quit playing games with my heart. Recall. I recall asking him for money. Recollect. I recollect seeing him in the club last night. And finally, recommend. The interviewer recommends wearing smart clothes. Report. He reported witnessing an accident. Resent. I resent falling for him. Resist. I resisted eating another piece of cheesecake. Risk. Alice risked revealing her identity. Suggest. I suggested arriving later, but she said no. Tolerate. I've tolerated being second best for far too long. Understand. I don't understand eating dinner at 11 p.m. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on gerunds.